Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to set alarm on Apple Watch. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. The easiest way you can use to set alarm on Apple Watch is using Siri. You can set alarm on Apple Watch by saying, "Hey Siri, 12 o'clock." And Siri is going to set an alarm for you. Alternatively, if you don't want to use Siri to set alarm on your Apple Watch, all you need to do is go ahead and open the alarm app on your Apple Watch. So you simply need to press the digital crown once to exit the watch face, go to the app screen. On the app screen, locate the alarm clock. You should see no alarm. To set a new alarm, tap it, then click change in sleep. You now come here and set your alarm like that. And then once you're done, you can now go back again to the alarm application you set. And once you are done, you should see the alarm like this. Or better still, scroll down alarms, click on the plus button, then come here and set your alarm. So use that to set your alarm. Click on the check mark, then you should see your alarm set on your Apple Watch. So you can repeat this to set multiple alarms on Apple Watch. And if you want to set alarm in sleep, you use this first one to set alarm on your Apple Watch. Normally, you use the plus button to add alarm. And that's it. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.